This is my Shelby model 5776 boat trailer jack. Off of that boat trailer right there. It is completely frozen up and will not rotate or spin at all. That hole tap that pin, then you pull that pin out. This is a little bit difficult to get out. As you can see there, it's subset down below, and this is so jammed up that it won't turn, that I'm going to have to tap it with a hammer to get it out. I had to pound it out with a tap to get it to release. It did release. This is what fell out. That's what's left of the bearings. One of the bearings jammed along between the pipe and the cylinder, and you can see the damage, but that's the reason that it wouldn't turn. Screw has no damage, to be in pretty good shape. I ordered this bearing replacement kit from a different company. So it was a perfect fit on there, and the new washers, I assume that's the way it goes. Others I've seen on the internet, the big one goes on the bottom. If it doesn't work, I'll have to take it out and redo it. And while I'm at it, I'm going to lube the screw with some Quicksilver marine grease. Also lubed up the shaft before I put it back in with marine grease. Reinstall the shaft. Sorry about the shakiness of the video. Sometimes you need a little help to align that back up. This looks like I'll need both hands to do it. Just had to twist the wheel a little bit to get it to line up, and now I need to tap it in because when I pounded it out it kind of flared a little bit. And you just line the pin back up and put it back in. Washer, the other bearing goes up the shaft. You line up the shaft hole. Pull that pin, put that pin back in. Lubricate these gears. And put the cap back on. And the clip. Once again, that's for a Shelby 5776. And first test run worked. Lifted it up smooth.